Good morning to one and all. I am Bharti, working as an assistant professor, Department of Commerce, Dr. S. Gopalraji Government First Aid College, Anekal. In this session, we are going to discuss about the introduction of hospital costing. A hospital is an undertaking which provides various type of medical and health services. Costing of hospital services is a highly complicated matter. This is because there are a variety of medical facilities such as OPD, emergency medical services, specialized departments such as cardiology, ortho, liver, cancer, and other various diseases. For each type of service, a separate cost sheet may be prepared to ascertain the type of medical services provided. ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ವಿವಿಧ ವೈದ್ಯಕೀಯ ಮತ್ತು ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಸೇವೆಗಳನ್ನು ಕೈಗೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತದೆ. ವೈದ್ಯಕೀಯ ವೆಚ್ಚವು ತುಂಬ ಜಟಿಲವಾದಂತಹ ವಿಷಯವಾಗಿದ್ದು ನಾನಾ ರೀತಿಯ ಸೌಲಭ್ಯಗಳನ್ನು ಒದಗಿಸುತ್ತದೆ. ಉದಾಹರಣೆಗೆ OPD, ಎಮರ್ಜೆನ್ಸಿ ವೈದ್ಯಕೀಯ ಸೇವೆಗಳು ವಿಶೇಷ ಇಲಾಖೆಗಳನ್ನು ಹೊಂದಿರುತ್ತದೆ. ಉದಾಹರಣೆಗೆ ಕಾರ್ಡಿಯಾಲಜಿ, ಆರ್ಥೋ, ಲಿವರ್, ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸರ್ ಮತ್ತು ಇನ್ನು ಮುಂತಾದ ಕಾಯಿಲೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಚಿಕಿತ್ಸೆಗಳನ್ನು ಕೊಡುವಂತಹ ಇಲಾಖೆಗಳನ್ನು ಹೊಂದಿರುತ್ತದೆ. ಒಂದೊಂದು ಸೇವೆಗೂ ಪ್ರತ್ಯೇಕವಾದ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಶೀಟನ್ನು ತಯಾರು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತದೆ. ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆ ವೆಚ್ಚವನ್ನು ತಯಾರಿಸುವ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಉದ್ದೇಶವೇನೆಂದರೆ ವೈದ್ಯಕೀಯ ಸೇವೆಗೆ ತಗಲುವ ವೆಚ್ಚವನ್ನು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯುವುದು ಈ ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟಿಂಗನ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಉದ್ದೇಶವಾಗಿರುತ್ತದೆ. The main purpose of hospital costing is to ascertain the cost of providing medical services. There are different departments in a hospital which are generally formed on the basis of functions performed by them. These are OPD, that is outpatient department. Wards will be there. Medical services departments has X-ray, radiotherapy, etc. And general service departments has a boiler house, power, heating, lighting, etc. And catering, laundry, medical records, work maintenance, administration, etc. And miscellaneous services departments has transport, dispensary, cleaning, and other departments are there in case of medical services. Cost of miscellaneous services department will have to be apportioned to the other departments on equitable basis. So here we have to prepare a cost sheet. So this is the format of hospital cost sheet, hospital operating cost sheet. So in this case, the expenses of a hospital can be broadly divided into two categories. One is called as a capital expenditure, and another one is called as a maintenance expenditure. So here it includes the salary and wages, provisions, staff uniforms and clothing, patients clothing, medical and surgical appliances and equipments, fuel, lighting and power, laundry, water, etc. And this is the general type of cost sheet for hospital. So in this case, particulars and amount column we have to take. So in this case, first we have to take all fixed cost. So what are all the fixed cost means? Rent of hospital building, salary of staff including doctors, repairs and maintenance, general administrative cost, cost of oxygen, X-ray, etc. So this comes under fixed charges. All these expenses comes under fixed charges. And next one is variable charges or variable cost, like a doctor's fees, food, medicines, diagnostic services, laundry services, special nursing services, miscellaneous overheads. So this comes under variable cost. So this is the total of fixed cost, and this is the total of all the variable cost. So here it is given we have to find out the the total cost by adding fixed cost plus variable cost. So if you add fixed cost with of variable cost, you will get total cost. In order to find out the cost which is incurred for giving medical services or medical treatment to the people is called as an operating cost sheet, and this procedure have to be followed while calculating operating cost sheet. And this is the information which I have taken regarding hospital cost sheet is M.N. Arora Costing Methods book, Theory, Problem and Solution. So it is of Himalaya publication, and also I have taken information from www.yourarticlelibrary.com. So with the help of these references, I have taken the information. Thank you one and all.